Hi, this is Madhurma Ghosh from Save a Life Foundation, and today I'm going to be speaking about obsessive compulsive disorder, which is commonly known as OCD. Now, OCD can be defined as unwanted or intrusive thoughts or distressing images which cross our mind and are immediately followed by a compulsive behavior, which is performed to neutralize the effect of the distressing image in our mind. Now, if you are facing any sort of discomfort, distress, or there is a dysfunction in your everyday lives because you are unable to perform a particular behavior or a series of behavior, then most probably you have OCD. Now, the thoughts which cross our mind in these cases are usually contaminated with fear. They can be fear of hurting yourself or fear of hurting people around you. Also, there is a pathological doubt. The individual is consistently doubting their thoughts and their action and their motives without any good reason. So some common themes for obsessive thoughts can be religion, having order or symmetry, also striving very hard for perfectionism. Now the next part of the disorder is the compulsive behavior. Now, the compulsive behavior is performed to neutralize the effect of the distressing image we just had in our minds. Now, there are typically 5 common compulsive behavior which are noticed, and they are cleaning, checking, counting, repeating, arranging, or ordering. Now, recent research have shown that hoarding is also another kind of compulsive behavior. Now, the performance of this behavior, they reduce the tension in the individual. They bring a sort of sense of control over the situation, provide a sense of relief. Now, there might be many variations for this particular OCD in different individuals, but there are few characteristics which are consistent. First, that anxiety is an affective symptom. Second, when you do this compulsive behavior, the anxiety is reduced to some degree and usually is very short term. Third, nearly all people believe or fear that something is terrible going to happen to them or people around them, for which they are the main reason. Also, it is seen the key feature in this particular disorder is that the individual's ability to judge the risk is very unrealistic, and that is seen as one of the most key features of this disorder. Now, there are many different kind of treatments available, CBT being most common of them. Also, there are many different behavioral treatments where we expose the individual to the stimuli, which is the thought, and we prevent the behavior from happening in that individual, and doing this in a certain period of time brings a change in the individual. So if you are facing any sort of compulsive behavior which I just mentioned earlier, along with some anxiety, some panic attacks, or there is a change in your eating and sleeping patterns, then I recommend that you see a psychologist at the earliest. Thank you for watching this.